Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best bike handlebar phone mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. We'll break down their features, performance, and value to help you find the perfect option for your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off the list at number 5, we have the Lamicall motorcycle bike phone mount with its no-block camera design. As the name suggests, this mount is perfect for those who want to record their journeys without obstructions. The open-back clamp design ensures your phone's rear camera remains accessible, making it an excellent choice for adventure enthusiasts or vloggers. It also features a 1-second lock and release mechanism, which means you can secure your phone in just a snap. This makes it not only convenient, but also ideal for quick stops during rides. Design-wise, this mount feels robust, with reinforced clamps and silicone padding to hold your device securely, even on bumpy terrain. Its compatibility with phones ranging from 4.7 to 7 inches in size ensures it can handle most modern smartphones, including the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. The build quality is solid, but at 7.7 ounces, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which might be a consideration for weight-conscious riders. While the Lamicall no-block camera mount is a great option for photography enthusiasts, it falls short in offering extra shot absorption compared to higher-ranked models. Additionally, with only 209 customer ratings, it doesn't have as much user feedback to back up its long-term reliability. Overall, it's a good choice for cyclists and motorcyclists looking for camera accessibility and quick setup, but there are better all-around options further up the list. At number 4, we have the Lamicall motorcycle bike phone mount in an eye-catching blue color. This mount is all about convenience. With its 1-second quick release feature, you can lock or release your phone with minimal effort. A great option for riders who need to frequently access their device. The upgraded handlebar clip further streamlines installation, requiring no tools and fitting handlebars with diameters between 0.59 to 1.57 inches. The design is sleek and functional, with non-slip silicone pads on the clamp to keep your device steady, even on uneven roads. The mount's ability to rotate 360 degrees allows for customizable viewing angles, making it perfect for GPS navigation or music control on the go. It's compatible with phones from 4.7 to 7 inches, such as the iPhone 16 Pro Max or Galaxy S24 Ultra, providing versatility for a wide range of users. What stands out most is its design that doesn't block the rear camera, making it a good companion for cyclists who like to capture scenic routes. However, there are a few downsides to mention. At 7.8 ounces, it's slightly heavier than comparable models, and while the quick-release function is convenient, it might not feel as secure as mounts with more traditional locking mechanisms. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 604 reviews, it's a highly rated product. But its higher price point and slightly heavier design keep it from breaking into the top 3. Still, it's a stylish and functional choice for riders who value ease of use and aesthetics. Securing the number 3 spot is the LISEN bike phone holder, which excels in simplicity and stability. This mount is designed for riders who want an ultra-secure grip and hassle-free installation. With its embedded silicone design, the installation process takes just 5 seconds, no tools required. This is a significant upgrade from mounts that rely on multiple layers of silicone or external tools. The mount's all-around shape cradles your phone securely, making it a fantastic option for high-speed or off-road riding. When it comes to compatibility, the LISEN bike phone holder supports phones ranging from 4.5 to 7 inches in size and up to 20 millimeters in thickness, which is slightly larger than most other mounts on this list. This makes it suitable for a wide variety of devices, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The 4 non-slip silicone cushions and shock-proof padding protect both the phone and the handlebar, ensuring a smooth ride without damaging your gear. Another highlight is LISEN's commitment to sustainability, which adds an extra layer of appeal for environmentally conscious buyers. However, the LISEN mount is not without its flaws. While it's highly practical and secure, it lacks the advanced features like quick-release mechanisms or camera-friendly designs seen in higher-ranked options. With a weight of just 3.53 ounces, it's one of the lightest options, but its basic functionality might not satisfy tech-savvy riders looking for more versatility. Nevertheless, its ease of use and robust design make it a solid choice for casual riders and commuters. Coming in at number 2 is the Lamicall motorcycle phone mount holder with its camera-friendly design. This mount sets itself apart with its half-enclosure design that ensures your phone's rear camera isn't obstructed, making it a go-to for riders who love documenting their journeys. Its 1-second lock and release mechanism is both intuitive and efficient, allowing for quick and secure phone placement. The upgraded handlebar clip requires no tools for installation and fits a wide range of handlebar diameters, from 0.59 to 1.57 inches. In terms of performance, this mount is sturdy and reliable. The 360-degree rotating ball joint allows for easy adjustment between horizontal and vertical viewing angles, catering to navigation or video recording needs. The all-around rubber padding on the clamp ensures your phone stays scratch-free and stable, even on rough terrain. It's compatible with phones ranging from 4.7 to 7 inches, making it a versatile option for a wide range of devices, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra. While this mount offers excellent functionality, its slightly heavier weight of 6.3 ounces and a higher price point might be a drawback for some buyers. With over 9,000 customer reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that this product is a favorite among riders. The combination of camera accessibility, easy installation, and durable design makes it a near-perfect choice for anyone who values convenience and performance in equal measure. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Lamicall bike phone holder, a tried-and-true favorite among riders. This mount shines in every category, from security to ease of use. Its unique corner-gripping design ensures your phone remains firmly in place, even on the bumpiest roads. The red safety lock on the back provides an extra layer of security, making it perfect for off-road enthusiasts and high-speed cyclists. What sets this mount apart is its unparalleled shock-proof protection. Silicone pads not only keep your phone scratch-free, but also absorb vibrations, ensuring a smooth ride. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, including the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S24. The mount is also incredibly versatile, fitting handlebars with diameters between 0.59 and 1.57 inches. Whether you're cycling, motorcycling, or even pushing a stroller, this mount adapts to your needs effortlessly. With over 60,000 customer reviews and a stellar 4.5-star rating, the Lamicall bike phone holder is a proven bestseller. While its design is functional rather than flashy, its balance of durability, ease of installation, and reliability makes it the best overall choice for a wide range of riders. If you're looking for a mount that checks all the boxes, this one is tough to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.